This is the first time doing this one. But today, mag-unbox tayo ng isang napakagandang shoes. Okay, so I decided to show my face and unboxing kasi wala, gusto ko lang. Anyway, today we're gonna unbox Puma. Napakapula. This one is a very nice and super original siya, guys. This is authentic, 100% authentic Puma. This is not OEM or second hand, ano yung tawag nila doon? OEM or basta yung class A something. This one is authentic. So I bought this for 3,000 plus. Secret kung magkano talaga siya, pero 3,000 plus lang siya. And this one is size 10, US 10, 28 centimeters. Okay. This one is bought by Ate John. This is not mine. Nagbibenta ako, guys. So, kung gusto nyo bumili, PM nyo lang ako. Alright, so let's open now. This is it. I don't know if you can see me clearly, but I'm having fun here. Okay, charan! Green! Maybe alam niyo na ngayon kung bakit I decided na magpakita sa videos. Kasi nga, green yung shoes. And I love green. Char, ang arte. Okay, so this one is... Oh, anyway, ang name niya is Puma Shampoo Perf. So, Forest Night Puma. Forest Night yung color. Forest Night. Okay, so this is how it look like. Look! It's nice, right? So, ayun. I was distracted. So, this is our shoes. It's green. It's forest green. Napakaganda ng text. Yun ng lining. Ang ganda-ganda ng sole. Napakaganda ng basta, para siyang synthetic leather, tapos gamuza yung likod. And then, yung lace niya is the same color as the shoes itself. And there is like a trademark here. And yung size niya is nasa ilalim din. So, makikita din sa ilalim. This is very perfect for your husband, for your brothers, for any man. I'm not sure kung meron siyang size for women. But, kung meron siguro, bibili ako. Char. Pwede niyo naman akong bigyan. Char. Okay, anyway. Ang lambot ng ilalim, grabe. Ang lambot ng sole niya dito. Tapos pwede siyang matanggal. Pwede matanggal yung dila niya sa loob. This one. And, yeah, perfect buy siya para sa akin. This is a good buy. So, congrats, Ate Joanne. And, yeah, look at this. Diba? Ang ganda, guys. Super. Sana, okay. Alright, so this is how it look like. Mas maganda pa kesa sa Joanne. Char. Ang init dito! Okay, anyway, that's it. I'll just gonna put the description down below and how you can order if you want. Okay, so that's it for today. Goodbye, and I'll see you next time. Pawis na ako, may gulay.